So hey guys, welcome back to Akahilz. So BTC breaks $43,000 for first time in a week. So we're going to be reviewing this article from CMC. Articles done by Cornersafe team. So table of contents: altcoins outperform. So BTC has broken $43,000 for the first time. The close to a week on the back of grim inflation figures from the US. The consumer price index (CPI) increased by 7% in December, marking the fastest year-on-year gains since 1982. Such a surge had been widely anticipated by analysts and set the stage for the Fed to switch off the money taps and begin increasing interest rates. So the release of the latest inflation figures has reliably led to an increase in Bitcoin's price over months. And all this because the cryptocurrency is regarded by some as a hedge against inflation. But BTC's last local performed since November has put that thesis to the test. An increase in interest rates would be bad news for BTC and stocks because it makes riskier assets less attractive. However, we have consumers have been beginning to feel the pinch as inflation contributes to higher prices in grocery stores, gas pumps. For the context, the Fed's target for inflation stands at 2%, although 7% is well beyond desired levels. The latest CPI regarding isn't as bad as what some analysts had been expecting, so given how November's reading had come in at 6.8% runaway inflation could be starting to plateau, and some experts believe that interest rates might not be increased as dramatically as possible. So we have data from Glassnode shows there has been a marked slowdown in the number of new traders entering the market, according to Blockforce Capital analyst Brett Monster. Retail investors may only begin entering the market once BTC meaningfully breaks above $50,000. So you guys want to check out CMC's podcast available on Apple, CoinMarketCap Podcast, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. So on altcoins outperform. BTC rose 2.61%, Ether 3.83%, BNB we have 5.33%, Solana by 9%, Terra by 9.25%. So Bitcoin's dominance has slipped below 40% at the time of writing, with the cryptocurrency's share of the total market cap dwindling substantially over the past 12 months. This time last year, it stood at 66%. So guys, that's it on article review. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to Akahilz. Stay safe and much love.